This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.Murdock. Spacious and bright, 4-bedroom 2 full bath, home in Brandon neighborhood. Open floor plan with kitchen, dining, and living room areas. All appliances including washer and dryer. Easy maintenance laminate flooring and neutral colors throughout. Move-in ready. Relax on the back patio with large backyard. Lovely converted garage can be used as fourth, primary, bedroom or home office space, with full bath attached. Located minutes from shopping, restaurants, and I-64. Available now. The application can be found here, www.stownerentals.com. Separate application required per adult living in the home. For more information,